Guys, thank you so much for coming to speak tonight on this auspicious England evening, knockout evening. It's great to have you both back as founder members, could we say, of Agile Yorkshire, founder members of the Agile Yorkshire community.
A long time ago, yes.
Long time ago, yeah.
But it's great to be back up north because I'm down in London now and opening offices in Leeds as well.
Yeah, okay, so we're going to talk a little bit about QA and observability and agile systems, or how do you scale from that startup to a scale up?
Because one of the interesting things about Yaspa is we're in the fintech space, and in fintech, it's all about systems integrations. So what our software does itself, you can test that, but really it's about testing the system as a whole. And to give you an idea of the scale of the problem, we're integrated with about 2,000 banks in Europe at the moment. So you can't really test that. So what do you do? And this is about observability and business observability, more to the point, looking at how you can record key business metrics and use those to basically make decisions.
Is there anything you think that you're going to say tonight that people will find surprising?
Ooh, Toby, over to you.
So we were trying to come up with some controversial statements. I think one of the interesting things about, as I said, the fintech market is because you are integrated with so many banks, a lot of it you can't actually test before you put it live. So if you can't test it, what do you do? So this is an approach to put things live and then make sure you monitor it carefully afterwards and then react. So that's probably a little surprising and maybe a little contentious. Observability is a key part of quality assurance.
Or is there something you're going to talk about tonight which you think people will be able to put into practice?
Maybe. So I think there's an interesting dynamic in delivery about making decisions for the business and making decisions for the engineers. So I think there's a slide that touches on that, a slightly interesting slant on that. I think one of my takeaways from previous Agile Yorkshire is quite often we'd have people who would listen to a talk and they go like, that's great, but how do I do that at work?
Yeah.
And I think that is something we do touch upon.